We need to grow.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, we need to do that. Any ideas how we'll do that?
We need to hire more people.
No, you don't have to. And today, I'll show you why. Let's start from the beginning. So imagine this. Your marketing team identifies a hot trend. Let's say personalized mugs, a great Christmas gift. The idea is simple. The market is ready. You know exactly who and how you are targeting. Production is in place. Money is on the table. And then what started as a simple idea gets stuck in internal processes. Days go by, sometimes weeks, and sometimes, let's be honest, months. The usual story: brief, dev ticket, queue, build, QA loop, release. And somewhere along the way, the idea dies. But it doesn't have to be that way. With a modern platform that supports self-serve product creation, things can move faster. Your product manager can configure the entire product line herself in just a few hours. And I don't want to sound like a coach, but teamwork really does work wonders. So instead, picture this. Your product and marketing teams sitting down together. In one afternoon, they prepare a new product with variants, pricing, and previews. No developers, no code, no delays. How? You need a platform built for teams with intuitive product configuration, clear documentation, onboarding support, and a UX that can be tailored and optimized without technical help. That's how you go from 6 weeks to under an hour. We've seen our clients do it, and one of them launched a last-minute holiday product that brought in over 25% of their seasonal revenue without hiring a single new developer. All they did was use Printbox.
Or we can just listen to this guy.